everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, this week we are bidding farewell to the character of Mazwi Moroka on Generation The Legacy. May his soul rest in peace. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 17th to the 21st of April 2023 on Monday. Luyolo agrees to help Jackie, but there is a condition. Anati and his prodigy ends up in a life or death situation. Everyone is on edge about the ransom drop off on Tuesday. Paul's decisions leaves his friend and girlfriend florid. Pizzo has to step in when an argument gets out of hand. Panic station at Moroka house when Mazwi is nowhere to be found on Wednesday. After receiving a frantic voice message, Belle rushes to get dressed. Tracy hears horrifying news and refuses to believe it. Nontle goes from being terrified of a gangster and engaging with him on Thursday. Can a celibacy be the key to making a relationship work? Nkaba has an idea on how to foil the police case. Abby watches the press conference and is confused by what Figile says on Friday. Anati hits the jackpot when a major scoop lands in his lap. In a moment of weakness, two colleagues ravish each other. Jackie gets a call and goes cold when she hears who it is. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.